Hey guys, my name is Harris. Today we will be discussing the basics of local SEO and how it plays a huge role in helping local businesses grow organically. Let's begin with how search engines actually work for local businesses. Imagine you are looking for the best restaurants in your area. Naturally, you would go to Google and type something like restaurants near me, or suppose if you live in Houston, then restaurant in Houston, Texas. Now you are not trying to read about restaurants, you just want to visit one. That's your intent. Based on that intent, Google tries to show the most relevant local businesses on top so you can quickly make a choice and take action. Now, the businesses that appear in those top spots don't just show up by chance. There is real SEO work going on behind the scenes. That's what gets them ranked higher and noticed by people like you. Think about it. If a restaurant is showing up consistently on top for restaurants near me, just imagine how many people are visiting it each month without that business paying for ads. This is not just limited to restaurants either. Whether it's a plumber, dentist, or appliance repair service, or any local business can generate a high quality leads every month through local SEO. So, what exactly does local SEO mean? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is the process of optimizing your website or content so that it ranks better on search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. When when we say local SEO, we are specifically talking about optimizing your local business for local searches. Those everyday searches like coffee shops near me or dentist in Houston, these are called local keywords. When Google shows certain businesses at the top in response to these kind of queries, it means those businesses have invested in SEO and have been optimized effectively to match local intent. And here is why businesses prefers SEO so much. First, it has a high conversion rate. That's because people searching with local intent are already close to making a decision. They are ready to buy, call, or visit. Second, there is a solid search volume behind these keywords, meaning plenty of people are looking for local services daily. And the best part, SEO is organic. You don't have to pay for every lead or every click. Compare that to running ads where you might spend $1,000 to $5,000 or even over $10,000 a month, and you will see how SEO can be a much more cost-effective way to get consistent results over time. Now, let's make this a little more practical so it's easier to understand. In local SEO, there are two core elements you need to focus on. The first one is your website, and the second is your GMB profile, which stands for Google My Business, now officially known as Google Business Profile. Let's say I go to Google right now and search for dentist in Houston. You will usually see three main types of results on the screen. At the top, there are paid ads, those are PPC or pay per click. Below that, you will find what's called the map pack. This is where Google shows business listings appear based on your location and relevance. And finally, below the map pack, you will see organic results. These are websites that have been optimized to rank without paid ads. So just to summarize that visually, first come the paid ads, then the map pack with local business listings, and finally the organic website results. All of this together forms what we call the SERP, short for search engine results page. This is what every local business aims to rank on, both in the map pack and the organic listings, because that's where the majority of leads come from. You can run paid ads to appear in both the map pack and organic listings, but ideally, our goal is to rank organically through strong SEO. It's more sustainable and brings in leads consistently over the long term. Hopefully, the basics of local SEO are now clear. You should now have a better understanding of how it works and why businesses rely on it to grow without depending too heavily on paid advertising. In the next video, I will start walking you through the key local SEO factors you need to work on, whether it's your website or your Google business profile, so you can help any local business generate leads organically. See you in the next video and have a great day.